Hello everyone, it's Miriam here, and today I'm going to have a flip through of a deck from Colette Baron-Reid, the Spirit Animal Oracle. I really did get attracted to the color of this, and that is why I bought it. Now this is the back, if you want to read it. It's the sides. As I showed you, it opens up like this. It has the ribbon to take out the deck and the book, and it's red in here. I do like it when it's this long ribbon and not the short one. And then we have the book here, same as the cover. Usually she has pretty good content. It looks like the cards are in order and they are also numbered. And you find the page here on the side. You can see 68 cards, and then at the end you have about the artist and about the author. Welcome, Seeker. And the introduction. How Oracle cards work, why this deck, and so on. About the spirit animals and their meanings. How to work with the Spirit Animal Oracle, card spreads, a message for you from the cards. That's so cute. The cards, their message and their meanings. So it has black and white picture on the top, and I think it's so pretty. This print that goes around. Then we have the name, Pierre Oracle message, protection message, and that's the two things that are Oracle message and protection message. Now they are about 3 pages long each card. And that's it. Thick, good guidebook. Now it comes to the cards. Have this beautiful backing that is reversible. I do like the feel of the cards and the quality. I do like. So these are matte. By the way, as you can see, the edges are not gilded or anything like that. So we have the name of the card here, and then we have a message, time to collaborate. That's the end spirit. Life is speeding up. So I'll just write the message down there, I think. Set healthy boundaries. Be fearless and bold. You see the number is up there. Bad spirit, a rebirth is assured. Lay a solid foundation. So fitting for that. Sweet results await. Very fitting for the bee spirit. Life is a mystery. I love the artwork on them. Take time out, like they do in the winter. The abundant universe will provide. Transformation is beautiful. Sing your own song. I think the messages are pretty good and fitting for the animals. Claim your independence. Act as if. And I do like they're kind of, what's it called? Wait. The miracles are endless. Not jewelry, but you know. Trust in divine detours. Co-create with spirits. Bring a gentle touch. So cute. Be loyal to what you love. And this looks like the dog we had when I was a kid. This and that are true. Be peace. Oh, I would like a tattoo of this. My mother had a tattoo of the peace dove. Truth transcends illusions. Spirit has your back. Now, if it didn't say, it has 68 cards. Bring your ideas to life. Learn from the past. Embrace in between. Think of your feet. Think of what? Clear out clutter. See the bigger picture. Up above like a giraffe. Take a leap of faith. Just jump. Time to let go. Let spirit be your guide. Horse spirit. That's very pretty. Be here now. Spirit has a plan. There is always enough. I always loved koi fishes. Be generous of spirit. Dream the world into being. Surrender now. Tend to the small things. That's the cutest mouse that I have ever seen. Love is all around. You are never alone. Let me fix this. And we continue. You see clearly now. Reclaim your power. Watch your words. So many things. The parrot. People having parrots, what they have said. Let it shine. Use your mind wisely. Time for beginner mind. Now is the lucky time. Overcome any obstacle. Be playful. Magic works through you. That's very beautiful. Watch and wait. Oh, almost took two there. Know your worth. Time to heal. Make your dreams real. Believe in yourself. Take the lead. Open to infinite possibility. Time for a deep dive. Give with gratitude and grace. Slow and steady wins the race. You heard about the story about the turtle and the rabbit? Nothing is wasted. Sometimes life stings. Oh, I do not like wasps. Do they do anything good? Let me know, because I don't know what good they do. Trust the great mystery. Oh. Trust in the magic. Turn knowledge into wisdom. Be at home. And that's the last card. So let me know. What do you think of this kind of artwork that is here, and that they have like this? It's not jewelry, but let's call it jewelry. This is actually jewelry. Do you like that? I do. I really like this. So let me know what you think, and if you stayed until the end, leave me a pink heart downstairs, down under. And if you stayed until the end, I'm guessing you liked the video, so I would appreciate it if you gave it a thumbs up. And if you like this kind of content with the tarot and oracle cards, then do consider subscribing. I would be very happy. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye.